Welcome to AI Evening News. Here are today's top stories from the world of AI. Here are today's main stories from the world of AI. Anthropic has opened a fast mode for Claude Opus 4.7 in research preview. According to the Claude devs post, the option is available on the API and inside Cloud Code. Fast mode targets developers who want lower latency on Opus class quality, particularly for interactive coding sessions and tool-heavy agent loops. Anthropic is labeling it a preview, so behavior and pricing may shift before general availability. Google has unveiled Gemini Intelligence, a new layer of proactive AI features built into Android. Announced at the Android Show I/O edition, Gemini Intelligence handles multi-step tasks across apps, summarizes web content, fills forms, and lets users generate custom home screen widgets through natural language. Google says it rolls out in waves starting this summer on Samsung Galaxy S26 and Pixel 10, then expands to watches, cars, glasses, and laptops later in the year. For everyday users, this is Google's clearest pitch yet for AI baked directly into the phone, not bolted on as a separate app.
Curl maintainer Daniel Stenberg has published a public reply to Anthropic's Mythos vulnerability disclosure. Stenberg writes that Mythos reported 5 confirmed security vulnerabilities in Curl. After the Curl team's investigation, only 1 held up, a low-severity bug. 3 were false positives, and 1 was an ordinary bug. He notes that no memory safety vulnerabilities were found, and that earlier AI tools like IEST, ZeroPath, and OpenAI Codex have produced larger bug fix volumes against Curl over recent months. His framing: the result is fine, but the marketing around Mythos was a stunt rather than a meaningful capability jump.
A new evaluation site called AIIQ has launched. It estimates the IQ of popular AI models by mapping 12 public benchmark scores into an implied IQ curve across 4 reasoning dimensions: abstract, mathematical, programmatic, and academic. It also folds in an EQ score derived from EQ Bench and Arena Elo, and a cost overlay so you can see intelligence per dollar. The site's frontier chart places GPT 5.5, Claude Opus 4.7, and Gemini 3 Pro near the top of the recent generation. For teams choosing models, AIIQ is a single-page snapshot of where each one sits.
Isomorphic Labs, the Alphabet-backed AI drug design company, has closed a Series B funding round of $2.1 billion. The round was led by Thrive Capital, with continued participation from Alphabet and GV, and new investors including MGX, Temasek, Capital G, and the UK Sovereign AI Fund. The company says proceeds will go to scaling its AI drug design engine, known as IsoDay, expanding the firm globally, and pushing its drug candidate pipeline across multiple therapeutic areas. For the AI for Science thesis, this is one of the largest single rounds the field has seen.
That's today's AI Evening News. If you found this useful, hit subscribe so you catch tomorrow's briefing.